Hi guys, I'm back. Okay, I restarted the phone. And we will continue where I left off. I love nature themed journals. And we can't push the little, I don't know what I did to it. It'll pop out. Okay, so that there. And then, what are we going to put here? Let me see if there's, oh, wait a minute. What about in here? I think a pretty image. Birds. I kind of like that birdie, but I don't know if it matches. It doesn't make me feel. Look at these. These are nice. I like these. These are from the Geeko Gals. Oh, I don't know. Let me see. This was, I was shrinking them, and I printed one, and when I flipped it over, I forgot to shrink it, and so yeah, I ruined it, but you can use that as collage, I guess. Then I have these. This is Studio One Galore. Those might work too. Let's see. Oops. This one. Get rid of this. Cover that rose. I think I need some sort of fabric. Let's see. Throw that over there so I don't lose it. Oops, that's Facebook, guys, sorry. Where's that fabric that I had? Don't you hate it when you throw things around and then when you need them, you don't remember where you put them at? That's me right now. Let me get it, guys, I think. Yeah, it's over here. This is definitely too light. That's too see-through-ish. Gee. I'm not sure. Let me see. Oh, wrong scissors. It doesn't stand out that much though. How about this one that I was thinking about? Let me see. Pick a piece up. And I'm thinking maybe here. I still cut it too big. We could even turn this into a little tuck. I think I need a new one. I think so. And I went to Walmart today, pick up a few things. I should have gone to look for this. Let's just hope I have one. I think this is too big. Whoops. Yeah, it's too big, but that's okay. We'll trim it. But it looks like I measured the sides. That's perfect. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some glue in the center just so it won't move. And then I'm going to sew around it. There. Okay, so let me go sew around it, guys. Got the sewing machine right here. I'm going to do the zigzag stitch. Okay, let's see. Whoops. I went too fast on that one. Shoot, we're looking to the other side. It moved. Okay, so this is what we have. So I'm going to have to trim this. I should have raised it up a little more, but oh well. So I'm thinking like that, and where's that tag? What if I was to make it like a little tuck? I kind of like that. Yep, I'm going to do that. Get my wet glue. And let's glue it down. We don't want to think so much because then we want to change our minds, and you know how that could be. We'll be here all day. So I saw that a lot of people are new to the to my channel. I guess because of the coronavirus, people are, you know, looking for hobbies and stuff. So that's awesome to see them visiting me and wanting to, you know, learn to craft. I think that's awesome because, yeah, we'll go nuts if we don't. Now, okay, I like that, but I'm not sure about this one, only because it's chunky. Just press this down first, and then I'll put that back in. But yeah, so, okay, where is my hole puncher? What time is it? Okay, we're good. Oh my God, it's right there. I have this one and the one from We Are Memory Keepers, and that one's somewhere around here too, but I don't see it either. But I mostly use that one when I'm gonna do a what do you call it, when I'm gonna put an eyelid. I have that one handy here just to punch a hole, which I purchased an extra one because, you know, sometimes this one gets lost. But anyways, to all you new crafters out there that I've seen your comments, you know, I'm glad you're taking the step to doing something fun and creative. And you know, don't panic, don't worry when you see stuff. We all started where you're at, and so, you know, no need to worry. You will get to where you want to be soon. I want the birdie to show. Okay, so I like that. I'm going to leave that like that. I don't know if I want to add anything. I like that. I like how that looks. And then these, what do I want to add? Whoops. I want to punch those in, but what did, oh, okay, never mind. Hold on. Oh, no, it's not. Darn it. But I found my butterflies. Oh, there it is. Hold on, guys. Sorry. I'm looking for the We Are Memory Keepers hole punch because that has a smaller hole. This thingy. As you can see, I need to buy more of those. I'm already running out of the ones I like. So this one has a smaller hole. I just kind of like them with the little hole thingy. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna leave this here. Put it up on this side. Yeah, I like those, but I'm thinking of adding some jute. Maybe I think that would be cool. Not sure about adding seam binding. Okay, we'll leave it like that for now because I don't see the jute either, and I'm not gonna get up no more. So far that this one is just a little flap. These are those photo albums you find at the store or thrift store, and I just opened the edge here so that you can insert your image through the side. If I can get to it. So see, you can insert it on this side and the other side. So yeah, I like that little flap thingy. This one, I want to decorate this. I'm thinking of doing like a little lace collage. I need to, yeah, it's too plain. We need to add something here too. Hold on, let me see. See, these are empty. It's okay. We need to put this book aside and create a primer for it. So basically it's pretty much done. See, this one doesn't have anything. I just wanted to make sure the pockets and everything was already done. Oh, we need to collage right there. Okay, what else? I do want something here. So I need to create a pocket or something. And this one. So we have two things to do. So I'm going to move this and let's make a pocket. What time is it? Okay, I think we can do it. Excuse me. So I'm going to use book page. So I think these might be too big. Didn't I have some cut up ones already? I thought I did. Okay, let's just make two more. No sticky. Take this glue out. OMG, this one had a lot of glue. Okay, so I'm thinking what kind of pocket? We have one of those here. Gosh, if I have one of those there, then I don't know. Maybe. I have these that I had made for maybe one of those. Yeah, I think I'm gonna put that one. I kind of like this one. Are those the only ones I have? Yeah. Or we can add this one and put it in with a paper clip. These are one of the floating pockets. Yeah, you know what? Maybe I can do that. Okay, so let's get a paper clip. And we're just going to paper clip it down. And this one has a tag inside. So we'll put seam binding on that later. So now come back to this one. See, we need to add something here. That looks too plain. What's on the sides? Okay. These will not fit there unless I switch it around to the other one. Let's see, what do I have here? Those are vintage ladies. I have other pieces, but they won't match. Then we have this cute little one. What we can do is just insert it like that with a paper clip, and then add some because these don't match. Like I don't know. Sorry guys, see? You think a lot when you craft. Because I'm not sure about the belly band fitting on the other one either. Sorry guys, I needed a sip of water. Okay, or let's go back in here. What's here? Okay, we could add a floating pocket to it, or glue it down and leave it as a tuck. This one has some green on it. It will fit. What other pieces do I have in here? For a small one. You know, this is cute too, to glue it down. And then, you know, insert a primer in the back. I like that too. Okay, maybe that one. I've been trying to, you know, have a little stash of stuff that's already half made like this, that you can just grab. Oops, you can just grab it easily and, you know, decorate it. The back, well, I guess it doesn't matter because I'm thinking of gluing it down. Okay, so let's decorate that one. I like that. Okay, so what do we want to add to it? What do we have right here? These are too big. What about some of these small ones? These are too big. One of these. These are... I want one that stands out. This is faster. I'm thinking this one. Oh, they're too big. Really? These would probably fit there too, huh? But I kind of like the mushrooms. Now, what do we want to put under it? And then maybe all these scissors are blocking my little path here from grabbing stuff. I'm thinking of a butterfly. You know me and butterflies. Those that I have there look too big. What if it's too big? There's that one. And there's that one. I don't think I have a smaller one than that, but I'm thinking that one may go. I like the color of those, but that's definitely too big. Okay, let's see if we can make that work. Now here, we're going to glue this one down. I'm going to say there. And I'm thinking maybe I'm going to have to trim it a little bit more so it doesn't stick out so much. Just want like a little border on it. And I'm not sure. Let's try and see if this gives it a little more. Glue again. Bring it down a little more. And then grab the glue stick and glue our cheesecloth. Okay, that little piece is extra. What do you guys think? And then we need to make a little tag. Oh. I'm gonna do it. Oh wait, I don't think these have the sticky. These are just paper, so let's just use the wet glue. Sorry guys. I guess my kids are playing on the hallway because I could hear them very clearly. Ah! Nobody saw that. Now we need a thin tag. I got this tag set from oh, I forgot already. Jesus Christ, with my memory, I swear. I don't know what's gonna happen to me when I become like an older lady. I think I'm gonna, you know, forget where I live because I have the worst memory ever. Oh, I don't fit. I think they're all the same width. Yep. Unless and then some I printed out wrong, so I'm gonna have to cover the back if I use any of these. Well, not all of them, I guess. See, I can't trim that one. I'm not sure that one will fit. I kind of like this one. Okay, let's see. Maybe we can trim it a little bit. And I'm only guessing, so don't be surprised if it comes out wrong. Okay, a little more. Okay, that looks better. But I'm gonna have to